In this video, I'm going to show you how to load a font in Photopea. It's actually really simple. Now first, we're going to go get a 100% free font on the website defont.com. As you can see right here, this is the Ash font, and I'm going to click download right over here. And the next step is I'm going to go back to Photopea. I'm going to click on the type tool and create a layer here. After this, you can see the font at the top left. We're going to click on it. In some cases, when you checkmark local fonts, it'll actually crash Photopea, and in some cases it won't. So if you install this to your computer, it'll automatically load that one alongside the other fonts. But if you want to load just one specific one, we're going to click on load font. And you can see font Ash had been loaded. So we're going to go back to here, and in find, we're going to type in Ash. And you can see it at the bottom. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to type in, and as you can see, the font has officially been loaded, and I can go and I can check mark, and I can give it a different stroke. I can give it a different color, drop shadow, all sorts of stuff. So that's how you're able to do it. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and please subscribe.